Hi there, I'm Tom Monroe from Monroe Home Inspections. I'm on an inspection today. I've come across a Sundeck. The homeowner tells me the Sundeck has been built to code, which is the BC building code. Well, I want to show you a few things that clearly have been missed as part of the code. I'm going to walk you through them. Actually, quite a few components. Let me show you what I have. Got a fairly big deck structure, and they have respected the span length of 2x10s. That's actually a 14-foot span, but what they haven't done is they should have a double ledger board around the actual frame of the deck, and it doesn't. The other thing is they've got a set of stairs that go down here. That set of stairs should have the bottom poured in place concrete pad, which those stair stringers land on. But at the top, if you'll notice right there where my flashlight is, you see the gap that's there? What that is that the stair structure was built differently from the actual deck structure. And what's happened is, if you look at my flashlight there, you'll see that there's no nails in that joist hanger on both sides. If you look closely, the deck is actually pulling away currently from the deck, or sorry, the stairs are pulling away from the deck structure. Over here, the flashlight, as you can see, they've actually missed there as well, the nails in the joist. So, those are a couple of things here. Let me take you in a couple other areas and show you. Over here against the home, the deck is to be bolted to the frame of the home. Clearly, they've just used some nails here, and those nails aren't enough to hold this deck. The other thing that's so important on this deck that's missed is post connection. They've just got some 1/4-inch lag bolts. Those lag bolts, they're actually just biting into this 1.5 inch of 2x10. But what should be is a double ledger plate, like I said before, with a bolted connection on the inside where you can see the nut and washer. That means it's actually grabbing into 3 inches of wood, and that post is going to be nice and stable. The other is, over here, the stairs, you can see where they land underground. Those are just going to rot. Clearly, the bottom stair is actually below the height of the soil. And if you look up the stairs, there's no anti-slip surface on any of the treads. You either want a stick-on anti-slip surface or a nail-on anti-slip surface. And obviously it's not. When they're green like this, they get incredibly slippery. Kids, adults can trip and fall. You see here, that's that area. Sorry about the light. That area there is where the stairs are pulled off. And if you look here, you'll see the differential in the height of the Sundeck. One more thing that's been added to this, and there is really no code requirement for it, is this little awning. But what they've done is they've just sat it on top of the roof surface at the top. A stiff wind could pick this thing right up and take it away. Not only that, but those 2x4s sitting on the roof surface are going to actually wear a hole through the roof surface, which is incredible to think you're actually going to have your roof, which is relatively new, it looks like it's about 10 years old, going to wear through and actually leak inside your home. So the next time someone tells you your Sundeck has been built to code, give Monroe Home Inspections a call. I'll come and make sure that it is. So you and your family are safe, you enjoy some time on your lovely Sundeck. When you think home inspections, think Monroe Home Inspections. With MHI, it's certified.